The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Rondie Pottinger.
We just broadcast everybody, make me form a circle and love, you know?
Yeah, and love, that's true.
Yeah, some didn't want everybody from them pot and them want everything in one place. And we just see what we can afford them.
She said morning.
Morning. You see me? But I like how you think we possibly can bring the unity.
A good life, don't mean unity and stay together.
Yeah.
Be together. A good life. You understand? And if you come from we are England, come to them someplace. It means much to the people.
New Year.
Eh?
New Year.
New Year. And if I want to see you come back again.
Yeah?
Yes. That's not mean much to them. And it shows up really good life that. Nobody is to begin to them and tell them about that. And you have been unity and love to them. Think about it.
I go process it with Kino.
Yeah.
But I like the direction. Love it.
Good direction you have been, man. Good man. That's why you have to deal with love. You understand me?
Yeah.
I mean, in love with little kids, they will come back to your deal.
That's what I said to him. I want to broadcast to everybody.
Yeah.
To meet up on the playfield.
Yeah.
We join hands on a circle.
Yeah.
And then we bring a pot and
Yeah.
I don't know if I so I don't know what. I'm my father.
Yes, brother.
Thank you for the direction.
Alright. Good night.
Love.
Bless all.
Change and balance yourself. Maintain pick up for one, get one at a time. Change the country.
Nobody come take me now with them too long break there, you know. We are till late time.
It's like I don't want to sleep in and sleep out. I want to think for work the way Kino work. And people say, no,
Yeah.
yeah.
Nobody come take with them too long break.
Yeah, move so fast.
Yeah, so fast. How you doing, Mom? Blessed
Good
morning. I'm Rondie.
I'm Korean.
I'd love to meet you. Are the bleach lady? Yes, I bleach. Okay, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. The people them say me can't come in and just left. Them say me have to stay with them.
You have to.
You know? So, I'll be back. You see me else? Love. Nice to meet you guys. To the world. When the heart has changed already?
Oh, you mean?
With the good life in our psyche. Good life in your system now, right?
Yeah.
So I want to feel the energy.
I saw the, yeah. Okay, I get to understand.
So now this is a uplifting thing for the whole Jamaica. And Seaview is the first inner city where really I get it. I feel it.
So the program we are watch, great name, no Good Life?
I see it from my page, man, on YouTube. I see it.
Oh.
Yeah, so I want the people.
She's in the church, you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
so you,
So she'll wait for her husband through the church.
okay.
The Lord I got send him.
So we are doing
I'm not in
this.
this.
No, I name that.
I'm not in
No,
that.
can't be him.
No. Him head never ball.
I name that.
Head never
Why
ball.
can't
Why can't be him?
What she say?
Why can't be him? Because you always say the Lord will send your husband, you
I
know.
name that.
When you say head not go ball.
You have smart there again.
Spirit pick her up.
Good
morning.
Good morning. That's Pepsi. Pepsi with the peer.
The good life.
A good life.
Which is right. That's what Kino said.
Link up at feed.
Lord, you know it's set already. We have to take the time and we have to try
Come and
something,
walk
you know?
at feed.
We have to
I
try
got at feed. Go walk with him.
Give me the name again. Neil. Blessings.
No.
I have to try some. I'm gonna
Yeah.
try it. Alright?
Alright, me catch that sweeping in the good life. And them love to say the nighty. So at least them know so them saying pretty clothes, all clothes and sleeping clothes. So the husband see that for you. So him say you look good in all occasions.
You see me?
Jamaica Good Life.
I'm Rondie Passenger from Jamaica Good Life. One of the fans watch your show and see our juice and she say, you know, Rondie bring a juice off a hot feet. You know, so this is from Jamaica Good Life. From a fan, we love you.
Respect and thank man. I know the thing there. All the people that want to and the people and the first who make me have this give thanks to the greatest.
So we give her your number. We give her your number so you can have a relationship.
Yeah, well, you
You see me, so from Jamaica
full
Good
energy,
Life.
so watch your walk one.
Yeah.
So the program do. Program do great things. The great one.
Yes.
I make the world hear what we have to say to them, you see me? Hot feet, yeah. We all up the street, yeah. You don't know Randy, big up yourself to the fullest, yeah. Kino.
Every
You're
time.
the genius, you know, the camera guy. Yeah.
Every time.
That's how you start, man.
Yeah. Pleasant.
So no what we say, the juice.
There was some sauce up on them, checking the camera up on them, they want to eat it.
Bring them out.
I tell them you eat it every day. Around 15 pounds of WhatsApp this guy, around 17
Yeah? Oh, what's up? Not so what's up. Tell him again the name, man.
Around 17 pounds of this one, then of this one.
Oh, what's up? Not so what's up.
You see me? 17 pounds this. I want to see 18 pounds.
Wow.
See, man?
And that more for eat.
Everything I do, so I can't solve this shit by myself.
You're so pretty, man.
Yeah.
Yes, Jamaica Good Life. And this one I come for. I'm say hot feet right and I know so I have to eat hot
You know
feet.
the thing, see?
Trunks I come for no hot feet.
chunks,
I'm
you
say
see, So one of the okra them that you cut up and see me, say
Jamaica Good Life, see that? Trunks me I deal with. Right there, so.
I do the maths, man. I see.
I use that.
And up on the top of the car wash.
I think car wash up there.
Yeah, and the car show when you don't walk across the street.
Yeah.
I am.
I think car wash,
I'm
yeah.
a thing, man. A good life, you don't know, say next year a better life too. You get
Alright,
Jamaica Good Life. That means you have to do it.
All the time.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
All the while, you hear that? See no work, cause you don't know nothing on earth, you know.
See it there?
When you get the money, the machine will come to you. Bless up, man.
Good Life. Blocks.
What up?
Where I drink?
My beautiful.
Good take up. By the front. A black shop, yes? So where I drink, John?
It's a dragon first.
And let me have a cold dragon. Kino, where I drink?
Good, man. Good.
Kino good. My virgin might want a dragon. When him coming by it. And the virgin here, where I drink?
Color.
Johnny Blocks, no?
One-stop
Johnny Blocks one-stop shop. So we're there. Jamaica Good Life
See that?
representing.
We are serving good things. Because we're on a good program. We're program here. Jamaica Good Life. A jag on this.
Oh, give thanks, Johnny Blocks. Pop it for me.
So I know the first time run down fire so one.
Finally, we meet the king.
Yeah.
Kalanji, forward man.
We meet the king.
Johnny Blocks.
Put to us, Kalanji. Come, Kalanji.
Forward, brother. Forward there.
Bust up my own.
Forward there.
My jag on this.
So where you want Johnny Blocks? You have to have a toast, you know?
Yeah, what man?
This is Jamaica Good Life in Seaview, Rondie Reach. So the man them now respect them. You know what
This a man drink something like this.
Yeah? Pull it and make we have a toast.
You see me as I came up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bust it
And
up.
they just like, so we shake it like this. And make it work.
Rhythm.
Yeah, read the menu.
Alright, a toast to Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah.
Respect everybody to the world. Come on, Seaview. Check out Johnny Blocks.
One-stop
shop. Alright?
Left and right.
Yes?
Yeah,
Everybody in the
We
world.
have parts on the other side.
Come through.
Yeah.
Johnny Blocks.
One-stop.
Good place to be.
Seaview.
See if you know wicked like how you people are talking here, man.
Why, look. Where's that top
Make sure you keep big thing in there yesterday.
Yeah, I want to keep something. You know, I would have done a whole of vibes. The founder of the program in that. Wiley, come here, this is one of the elders, the legends and the players.
Respect.
Football field, ex-baller.
Yeah.
Respect. Love.
Football field. Football field, the man of the...
Come to give the people my voice.
So, him are the founder of the program.
Yeah, man.
Bring my
So
advice.
I always come through, alright? I'm there.
Yeah, go on the road.
Yeah, man. I don't know anything.
Good life.
Big up, you know.
See there?
Good life.
See there?
Good life.
Oh.
Good life.
Alright.
The famous thing. It's the famous Seaview bench. Yeah?
They said started.
Yeah, man.
Back bench.
No, so what here is the lady.
Auntie.
This is how I'm going to interview Auntie. I'm not on camera and kind of so we do it for the love, we do it for the likes. So make sure you'll hit the heart. Can we have a sit down right on the couch?
Right on the couch. Oh, she know Auntie, mine.
So look how me dirty from money and working.
Oh, alright then. And people don't really too watch how she looks. So from morning she been working, she been sweeping the area, sweeping her house. Her name is Pepsi.
Right on the couch. What you call her?
Pepsi, aka Auntie.
Pepsi. It's a pleasure to have you on my show. This is a Jamaica Good Life on the couch in Seaview. Pepsi.
Yeah.
Tell me about your hometown. How long you lived here?
I'm living here 20 odd years now.
Where you shy? Where you shy, Pepsi? We don't see you shy on the video.
I true you speak to her these days.
Oh, so me have to go in a Jamaican
Yeah.
stuff to make you relax?
Yeah.
But I don't see right.
Pepsi, everything about you right. When people over the world see you, when man sees you, say, yeah man, she right.
Yeah, I think she's right, man. But I'm see her one time, she just came as well. So one time she up.
Pepsi, tell me about yourself. Where you born?
Born in St. Andrew.
Where?
O'Neill. Yeah.
That's a beautiful place. How is it about it?
Yeah.
And what school you go?
I go home in high school.
So why you shy, so shy? You go to church?
Yeah.
You sing up in a church?
No.
You just sit down. Are you a quiet person?
Sometimes.
Yeah. Are you nervous that I'm here?
No.
Are you nervous over the camera?
No.
So this is your personality. This is it.
Yeah.
You're just calm and.
Yes.
This is Pepsi all the time.
No. That's not Pepsi.
So wait there. So she an act. This is her act.
Yeah, she put it at the first. I see her so shy.
This is her act, Pepsi.
Yeah. Vibes the Pepsi this.
This is her. I'm gonna start shake her up. This is her whole show.
Yeah. So I probably have,
a show.
you have to go loose
And
now.
when the people them see you, they must say Pepsi. Why am I going like he nice? You ever hear nobody with a cuss on the mouth?
No.
Pepsi?
So you're like, okay, nobody would. You ever cuss out anybody, make anybody hear?
Of course.
Yeah, man.
As a Christian, when you cuss out people, make them hear you.
A clean cuss.
Sometimes when somebody step on your toe, you have to match them back.
But then Christ is forgive.
Yeah, you forgive, but you can't forget.
So the forget part why you mash them too?
Sometimes some people put you over edge. You understand? And sometimes they say decent liberty. So you have to do back the same thing. Okay?
You have heard that, Kino?
Yes, sir.
Anything she say.
Right.
Anything Pepsi say.
Wow.
Okay, Pepsi.
That's how you're gonna see, huh?
Anything you say, Pepsi.
Right.
And the flavor.
Yes.
So you're a decent Christian, but if someone cross the border and hurt you,
Then on church, sometimes they miss from pastor, you know. And pastor just tell them just as it is, you know. So there is nobody perfect.
True.
Anybody say him them perfect is lie themselves. Nobody at all. You understand?
True.
Yeah.
Wow. You plant any fruits in your yard? Mangoes or?
No.
Have you planted any trees since you've been here?
All of those trees, you see the flowers.
Flowers you plant?
Yeah.
So you're not a mango tree? No, okay. How many years you been living here again?
20 years.
You didn't thought of planting a tree somewhere?
Down there to plant
You could have planted the crown of the tree, could have grown around the
tree
house.
is there, see there.
Yeah.
Tree is there.
Is that your tree?
Yeah, it's my tree. It's
Did
my
you
me
plant it?
them. Yeah.
The flowers them.
All the
but
flowers
me want
them.
mango and me want breadfruit. You come in the yard, where you go give me? Some you buy a supermarket?
No,
Did you
I
plant any
don't
mint?
buy.
But can you give me if I come to your
I
yard?
plant a mint, but everybody come and pick it. Up to Kino to pick it.
Yeah. And me pick it up.
Kino too.
So I drink a lot of mint tea from our yard.
Yes.
So you have some left?
Yeah?
No.
It barely a ketchup.
So me come at the wrong time.
Wrong
We
time.
can't get nothing from you. We can't get nothing from you. We come all this year, we can't get nothing from you. People think me if we come and
I never know that Granny can so have
I guess.
I
Yes.
guess.
But
If
him
I
tell me
didn't
all about
know-
you.
If I didn't know, you would get something.
Okay,
But
me
I
just-
never know.
Come tell him everything about you. Tell him about the video we do.
Make sure we.
Yeah, you will get so. You will get
We need some food. Me not get no food yet.
Look, when you
Avocado.
When you coming back,
Breadfruit.
when you coming back, you
Kino
get
never-
pork. Let me tell you, when you
There's a poor.
One of the people that like me say me travel the world of beg people food.
yeah.
You know my life to my life going to people home and eat with them.
Okay.
Them say me little can yummy.
Make you yummy.
Good.
Yeah.
Don't pay them no mind. Sometimes you have to walk with the belly too.
We can't leave it. Or you
You
die.
have to walk with them. You have to hungry.
Yeah.
If you're not hungry, you cannot eat. And if you don't hungry, you can't eat food. And when you're sick, you can't eat food. Some people eat, but for me, when me sick, me not eat food. The fruits me eat.
When we come up, go around a boat.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. What kind of boat you want?
You know, a long time.
I know you boat with the fancy though. See?
When we come back, a long time I know eat chicken back, you know.
Chicken back.
You see me? More eat a dumpling with the chicken back and a piece of butter in the middle.
Oh.
Butter in the middle, dumpling and butter.
Must
Chicken
do.
back and dumpling. A
Chicken
big
back and
dumpling. A big dumpling.
What you call them? The car wheel.
Cat wheel.
Cat
Me
wheel.
can't make them feel now. I make very small dumplings.
You have to extend your whole enterprise.
Big dumpling.
I
You
can
have to
make
get
car
3
wheel
or
for
4
you.
and just put them together and just. You can't do that.
No, I can't. I make very small dumpling. One hole in your mouth one time.
She make the cute dumpling.
No, man. Hey,
Man, you alright, man.
okay.
I work with uptown people, you know. Just people them uptown. So you see,
Mara.
for them dumpling is a mouthful. You understand? So when me come to my house and I cook dumpling, I'll cook the same thing too. But I didn't know that say, oh, auntie make my dumpling bigger. Right.
Got him obvious,
You can
man.
work with such people so long you forget to make catering dumpling.
I never brought up to make cartwheel dumpling, but if you want cartwheel dumpling to make, you get cartwheel dumpling. But I do
Change
not,
and balance.
I do not like to make cartwheel.
You forgot to make the trailer wheel film.
Pepsi.
Trailer wheel too big.
Chicken back and the chicken back. Cartwheel dumpling with a little butter in the mix.
Well, you know, it's a long time you know he's some chicken back, so you know.
That's what I'm trying to show you.
Those chicken back now are bonus.
Chicken back expensive now, you know.
Yeah.
That chicken back are
150 a
upgrade.
pound.
Yeah. Chicken back expensive
That's
now.
the dream.
That
Can
is
you
your
make
dream.
can you make that dream come true?
When you're coming back, you just tell them. You want yam banana and dumpling, sweet potato.
But now push it enough, but if
No,
you can
I
deliver it,
asked
you
you a
deliver it.
question.
That sounds like a plan. Even just a little piece of it, you know?
Okay.
Kino is invited. You see me?
So what type of juice
Yeah.
you want
No,
with
we
it?
have to go special now. You see now that we have the option. Open up.
Yeah, this is not no artificial juice, you
I
know.
was thinking
Yeah.
beetroot and carrot with some
Beetroot and
ginger
carrot
and a
and
little
ginger.
squeeze of lime, the little lime, the little one.
You want
No,
a
the big lime, them, the little one.
natural juice. They call that natural juice.
No sugar.
No sugar.
No sugar. Okay.
The reason I made the cartwheel dumpling and the chicken back is a way for show Jamaican where I come from.
Okay.
So them know, you know what I say.
Okay,
Start
you
make
need
little
the-
dumpling.
Okay, you need the flour and you press out the dumpling wide so. Right? Wide.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what that now put up in plate, man? No more food. No more food.
I just want to know, I'm not worried. I just want to know, you know. For sure the people them Seaview take care of me, you know. No Pepsi man.
Anyhow, I'm going into Granny to get a bread. I'm going to do some sorry.
You going to do some sorry?
Yes, so I'm going to break it in. My brother-in-law going to do it in the home. So I'm going to.
We'll say, alright.
So
If we
I'm
pass you, we
going
can get that
to.
drink later.
I'm going to Joy Sorry. No?
Alright, listen.
Right?
Nice meeting you. This is our first. I know so we're going to cook out, so this is our first get together.
Yeah.
We're looking forward to the cartwheel dumpling and the chicken back with the little lime squeezing the beetroot and the carrot.
Oh.
Alright. Jamaica Good Life.
Let's up.
That's it. Super surfer was that.
Yeah. Up.
Yes, sir. Jamaica 1, 2, 3.
Jamaica Good Life.
Good life.
Yes. Real life. All feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a big life and a good life. Moving. Let's better, man. Our time is coming and time is going, you know. You know where the thing goes.
Don't make Kino cry now. Cry, right?
No, I see him face a while ago when him come around the corner. I see him face when him come around the corner. Yo, yeah, I get red. Looking at him eye there. You can't stand a cry, my cry there. Is it?
Yes, mommy.
You know, good life.
In a good life. No, I love you. I cry.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must.